Whoa! There was a fish there, I would have seen it and it would have seen me. Ladies and gentlemen, we caught ourselves a trout. And he's pissed.
This is an Arctic gar, sir.
An Arctic gar? Come here. Go ahead. Dude, that's a nice fish. Oh my God, stop, 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 stop. And today, we have ourselves a very nice, beautiful brook trout that is very pissed off at me. Eat the hell out of it. Goodbye. This is the most terrifying place to fish. No! I had one. Oh, he's a good un. He's a good un. Yeah, getting that current.
This is a real fisherman with a live fish. That's not a stick.
He's so pissed off. Oh, it's a rainbow.
Yeah, it is. No, that's a brookie.
No, it's not. That's a rainbow. All day.
Don't do the thing where you stroke the fish before you release it.
It's my calling card. Let go. How are you hooked? Hold on. All right, come here.
Give me your rod.
Oh, I got it.
Okay.
I see it. Come on. Let go. Come here. You're in the water still, so.
I swear. Give me your rod. Oh, you got it. Goodbye.
Boom! That is so good.
I did catch. Okay, as I was saying,
Oh!
the last video that you made on YouTube was 22 minutes long. How long do you think we had the camera rolling? About an hour and a half?
About almost 2. Oh, he's in that little rock. Oh, that's a brookie. Last one was a rainbow. That's a brookie. Let's just drag him through the rocks.
This is a snakefish. They actually like the rocks. You're back in front of you.
That was short-lived.
Dude, look how freaking pretty these things are.
Dude, they're eating it right now.
Yeah, what was your technique? You just grab the hook and shake?
Dude, I ate my hopper hard. I twisted it so it would pop out. Yeah, like that.
Bro. I'm a fisherman. Don't worry, I got this.
I'll do it myself. I will eat that rock.
If you die, my mom will be so happy. Okay, you're free. front.
Fuck! Damn it! I wasted my opportunity.
Hey, I love your sardine.
Dude, I sent this fish to destination. Fuck. So how did the GoPro stop? Beautiful little cutty.
There we go, double. Is yours still on?
Yep.
Double. Oh my gosh, mine is huge too. Look at this monster.
Boom, double. Mine's gone. Goodbye.
Hey Danny,
What?
you're back in front.
Fuck! Does it matter? If I pull one more out of here. Can you imagine? Did you see?
Did you see that little guy just jump? That little mini?
Yeah.